Karma Guy here. Check out this 2013 Subaru Impreza 2.0 iSport Limited wagon with only 87,000 miles. It has a full dealer service history, current Georgia state emissions, and comes with the original books. This vehicle is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty and a 5-year maintenance plan available at a discounted price. Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. We've also completed a recent computer scan showing a clean bill of health with no trouble codes and no dash lights. It's ready to hit the road. We understand that buying a car is a big decision. Please note, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status and warranty. Take advantage of this opportunity and remember, the bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of a low price is forgotten.